Two stories about flying. His first flight, part 2. Now we have seen that how his family members, his father, mother, his two brothers and sister, they took no heed of him. He was just lying on the ledge, the seagull. And now we see his father was preening the feathers on his white back. He saw that on the opposite cliff, that is on the plateau, his father was preening, he was maintaining his feathers. Only his mother was looking at him, and only his dear mother was looking at him. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau. She was standing just on the hump, on the projected part of the plateau. Her white breast thrust forward, and he could see that her white breast was thrusting, was out, a little projected. Then she was standing on a little high hump. Now and again she tore up a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. Now and again she tore. She was tearing a piece of fish and that was lying at her feet, and then she scraped, and then she uh, 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 scraped it on the side of the rock to sharpen it. The sight of the food maddened him, and this way, when he saw his mother, that made him mad. How he loved to tear food that way, because he loved to tear the food that way, scraping his beak now and then, sharpening his beak now and then to whet it, to make it more sharpened. Ga, 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 he cried, begging her to bring him some food. And he cried, requested her mother to bring some food. Ga, kola, she screamed back. She also answered, she replied. She screamed, she shouted derisively, mockingly, making fun of him. But he kept calling plaintively. But poor thing, he kept calling him sorrowfully. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. And then after a minute or so, he gave a very happy sound. His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with him. When he saw that his mother had picked up a piece of the fish and she was flying across towards him, he leaned out. He bent out eagerly, full of desire, tapping the rock with his feet. He was beating the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. He was very happy. He wanted to get near him as she was coming to him. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, but the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. But when she came just opposite to him, जब वो इसके opposite आ जाती है, वो वहीं पर halt कर दिया. She waited there. Her wings became motionless. The piece of the fish was just within the reach of his beak. उसको देखा कि उसके beak के बिल्कुल पास में है. He waited a moment in surprise. Now he was surprised why she waited, why she halted, wondering why she did not come nearer. And then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. And then he could not wait. He was so mad with hunger. He could not understand why his mother waited there. Then he could not get the trick of his mother that he wanted to induce her. She wanted to bring him near her, and he dived at the fish. Finally, he jumped, and with a loud scream, with a loud shout, he fell outwards. He fell outwards. वो नीचे गिरता है, downwards into space, and he came into the space. Then a monstrous terror seized him, and now he felt a great fear caught him. Seized means caught him, and his heart stood still, and his heart became motionless. He could hear nothing. वो कुछ भी नहीं सुन पा रहा था. But it only lasted a few minutes. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards. और अगले ही moment उसने पाया कि उसके wings जो हैं वो spread हो गए हैं बाहर की तरफ. The winds rushed against his breast, feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. And then he could feel the wind under his breast, under his stomach and against his wings. एकदम से उसके naturally उसके wings खुल गए. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. वो जो है एकदम headlong नीचे नहीं गिर रहा था सीधा, उसके wings खुल चुके थे. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was soaring, he was moving up, downwards, then outwards. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. वो थोड़ा सा dizzy feel हुआ. Dizzy होता है when you are spinning, जब आप गोल गोल घूमते हैं तो आपको off balance सा लगता है. Then he flapped his wings again once, and he soared upwards. And then he fluttered, and then he moved his wings again, and he soared upwards. फिर वो ऊपर की तरफ आता है. Ga 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 ga. His mother swooped past him. Then he saw his mother coming rapidly downwards towards him. उसकी mother उसके पास आती है बराबर में. Her wings making a loud noise, and he found that his mother was making a noise. Her wings. He answered her with another scream, and he answered joyfully with another scream. Then his father flew over him screaming. Then he saw his father was also flying with him screaming. They were all so happy. He saw his two brothers and sister flying around him, curveting, banking and soaring and diving. उसने देखा कि whole family now was flying around him, circling him. Curveting means jumping over him. They were banking him. Banking means flying with one wing higher than the other. कभी वो एक wing नीचे करते थे, कभी दूसरा. Soaring, moving up, diving, going down. They were all happy कि at last their brother had joined them. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and then he forgot कि उसे तो कभी fly करना ही नहीं आता था. And he commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. And then he praised himself कि कैसे वो उसने अपनी तारीफ की कि वो कैसे डाइव कर रहा है नीचे की साइड. देन ही सोरिंग, फिर वो ऊपर जा रहा है, फिर वो कर्व ले रहा है, घूम रहा है. Shrieking, shouting shrilly in an unpleasant noise. He was near the sea now. Then he saw he was near the sea, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. And then he saw that he was flying over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him. उसने देखा एक vast बड़ा सा stretch है green sea का उसके नीचे, with little ridges. Ridges are mountain ranges. Some mountain ranges were there in the ocean. Moving over it, उसके ऊपर से तैर के जा रहा है, move कर रहा है in the air. And he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. And then he saw कि what he is doing. Then he turned his beak sideways. उसने अपनी beak को side में किया. And then he cawed. Cawed means he made cackling sound happily. Amusedly means he was very happy at his achievement. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. And he saw that his parents, his brothers and sisters, they have already landed. They have already touched this green flooring, this green water of the ocean before him. They were beckoning to him. Beckoning means they were calling him by silent signal. Beckoning होता है gesture से बुलाना. उसको बुला रहे थे वो gesture से. Calling shrilly. They were calling him shrilly in a sharp voice. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. And then he made an attempt. उसने एक टांग अपनी ड्रॉप की ग्रीन सी के ऊपर रखी. His legs sunk into it. और उसने देखा कि उसके legs कैसे sink कर रहे हैं उसके अंदर. He screamed with fright. And at once he shouted with fear and attempted to rise again. And then he made an attempt to come back ऊपर आने के लिए. Then flapping his wings. Then again he fluttered his wing. But he was tired. Now he found that he was tired and weak with hunger. He was very, very tired. He was weak with hunger. And he could not rise. He could not rise. He was exhausted. He was completely tired. Exhausted by the strange exercise. This was exercise. Sometimes he was going down, coming up. He was tired. His feet sank into the green sea. और उसने देखा कि उसके feet जो हैं वो डूबते जा रहे हैं sea में. And then his belly touched it, then his abdomen touched it, and he sank no further. And then he found that he has no energy to sink anymore. He was floating on it. Now he was floating on the water. And around him, his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scrapes of dogfish. And then he found that his family was screaming, they were shouting, they were praising him, and their beaks were offering him scrapes of fish. And they were giving him the small, small pieces of fish because they found that he was hungry. He had made his first flight. And so, my dear students, see how this seagull made his first flight. He tried and tried, and finally he could succeed.